Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Hit share, go ahead and share with your friends, or you can hit that little bell to get notifications when new patterns release.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and today we're going to be making this Bohemian Barefoot Sandal. If you watched our last video, you were able to learn how to make a child barefoot sandal in a heart shape. So if you're interested in making a child barefoot sandal, go ahead and go back to the channel and look for that one, all right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, leave me a comment, let me know what other kind of tutorials that you want to see, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. All right, so getting started on this barefoot boho sandal, we are going to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do want our chains to be kind of tight. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now we are going to make a slip stitch into that first chain to create a ring. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to chain 4. 2, 3, 4. And what we're going to do is we're going to work right into that slip stitch and we're going to put a double crochet. Okay, next we're going to chain 1 and then we're going to put another double crochet right into that same space. And that is the end of your first row. So you should have this chain of 13 to make a ring, chain 4, double crochet into your slip stitch, chain 1, and another double crochet into your slip stitch. Starting round 2, we're going to chain 4, and we're going to make a double crochet right into that first space. Chain 1, and then we're going to put another double crochet in the next space. Chain 1, and we're going to find the top of the third chain, and we're going to add a double crochet into that space or into that chain. And this is what your round or your row 2 should look like. Now starting on row 3, this is the fun row. We're going to chain 6. 5, 6. Now we're going to turn our work, and what we're going to do here is you're going to want to make sure that you're holding your yarn pretty taut. We're going to wrap your yarn 4 times. 3, 4. Making sure you hold on to that so it doesn't loosen up. We're going to work into the first stitch. We're going to pull up a loop. We're going to pull through 2 loops, and now we should have 5 loops on our hook. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a double crochet 2 together. So we're going to go ahead and yarn over, stick our hook into the double crochet, the next double crochet. We're skipping all of our chain spaces. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we've got 2 partial double crochets. We're going to yarn over and pull through 3 loops. That should leave us with 4 loops on our hook. Okay, now what we're going to do is basically finish a treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to chain 1. Now in this, this part, let's zoom in for you. we are going to work a double crochet. You see where the double crochet 2 is together? We're going to work our double crochet underneath these 2 yarn overs from this treble crochet. So how we're going to do that is we're going to yarn over, and we are going to slide our hook right underneath those 2. Pull up a loop, and now we can finish a double crochet. And what we've done is we've created a very long X stitch. Okay, we're going to make one more X stitch. So chain 1, we're going to wrap our yarn 4 times, hold your finger on, and we're going to work into this next double crochet. Sticking our hook in, pulling up a loop. Remember to hold all of this so it doesn't get loose. Yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our first partial double crochet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, we're going to skip 1 chain, and working into the next chain, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now we've got the start or 2 partial double crochets. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And now we're going to have 4 loops on our hook. Now we're going to complete the treble crochet from the side. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Chain 1, and remember we're working our double crochet underneath these top loops from the treble crochet right above your double crochet 2 together. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Okay, now what we're going to do is do a triple treble. So wrapping our yarn 4 times, and we are going to work into this stitch worked from the X, which is the 3rd chain from the top. 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through our last 2. Now that will complete our 3rd row. Okay, it should look like this. You should have 2 X stitches with a chain 6 on one side and a triple treble on the other side. Now working our last row, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to double crochet right into that first stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to put a half double crochet into this next double crochet. We're skipping all the chain spaces here. There's your half double crochet, chain 1, and we're going to work a single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, skip the chain, work another single crochet, chain 1, and work a half double crochet right into this last stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to work double crochet 2 cluster into this last chain. It's the 6th chain. Okay, there's 1, and now here is 2. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And now we've completed your barefoot sandal, and we just need to add the straps. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 100 on this side, all the way to 100, tie that off, pull it real tight on the end, And to make the other side, what you're going to do is put a slip stitch on your hook, and you're attaching it to the double crochet, not to the chain 3, but to the double crochet on this top side. I'm sorry, not to the chain 2. We're attaching it to the double crochet here. All right, you're gonna do your 100 chains, and then you are ready to go. You can go ahead and wear your barefoot sandals to the beach. You can wear them to the park. You can wear it around your house, to the pool, whatever you like. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment and let me know what other kind of tutorials you guys would like to see next. And we will see you next time.